without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is you're one of one yourself, cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby.
Alright y'all, so I obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so if you know me, you know I live for a good kinky straight, so come through kinky straight hair. The unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadulahair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it, sis. So this particular unit, it says a mirror same wig, Nadula 7x4, bye knots, hot style, yaki straight, glueless deep part, lace closure wig, natural hairline. I have this unit in 20 inches, but it's available in 14 to 26 inches. The hottest length is 22 to 24, and keep in mind those are all even numbers. I'm trying to find, okay, so the details of this wig, it says Pre-bleached, clean and invisible wig knot, 7x5, upgrade, larger lace closure, promises versatile styling options, light, yaki straight, new bomb look. Refresh your fashion look. So I don't see the density anywhere. If I do have a density, I'll have it listed down below in the description box, so just check that out. Now, I did show you guys what this unit looked like straight, which I love a good kinky straight, like I said. And honestly, y'all, every time I wear a kinky straight wig, it's just one of those units that everybody just assumes is my hair. They go, oh my God, your hair is so pretty. That's why I always recommend, like, you need at least one kinky straight, girl. One kinky straight in your closet or whatever, wherever you keep your units, you need at least one kinky straight wig, because I feel like it looks super natural, as well as a kinky curly. But I like to curl these units. And honestly, why I like to curl them is because of my little cousin Ashley. And if you guys have never checked out her channel, she does have a YouTube channel as well. But Ashley rocks her natural hair, and Ashley will wand curl her natural hair. And she has a hair texture like my grandmother, like all of us have. And she'll wand curl it or whatever, and it gives this same look. So that's why I like to wand curl my kinky straight wigs, because it gives that super natural, I wand curl my natural hair look. Okay. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not experience any of the things with this unit, honey. Okay, straight out the packaging. It's not to say it won't at some point, but straight out the packaging, I experienced none of the things, and I didn't expect to experience any other things straight out the packaging with a kinky straight wig, girl. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so I can only go off the head that's on my shoulders, but in my opinion, it is an average cap size, because I did have to adjust the straps as well as adjust the pre-attached elastic band. This unit did come pre-bleached and pre-tweezed, okay? So it's pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-tweezed, and I love all the pre's, girl, because once again, your girl is lazy. So I personally love a good throw on and go, honey, okay? I am the throw on and go queen. And honestly, if I didn't just want to show you guys this with the curls, I probably would just threw it on and kept it moving, okay? Like with my day. I probably wouldn't have curled it unless I was going somewhere or doing something special, but in general, I would throw old girl on and go, okay? But yeah, it doesn't require a lot, so it's the ultimate beginner friendly wig. So those are all the details and specs about this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so I know I look a little different. I want to throw this part in there right quick, because they did send me this about the different textures. So it shows the difference between the yaki straight and the silky straight, okay? So obviously with the yaki, it gives that more natural sort of feel for African American women, in my opinion. And then the silky is, you know, obviously a silky texture, but this is the yaki texture and this is the silky texture, and I hope you guys can tell and see the difference. So I want to show you guys that, because they sent it to me, so I want you guys to see it, and hopefully you're able to see the difference on camera. So yeah, that's it. Alright, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons, so I like to end on a high note. My only con with this wig is gonna be there are no combs in the front. I need my combs in the front, okay? I need 2 in the front right here, okay? I always need 2 right here, and I need 1 in the back. I need my combs. Now, some people aren't comb people, and that's why I like when companies offer the option of detachable combs. I think that should be a thing across the board, because some people hate combs. I'm a comb person, but some people hate combs. I wish it had that option, but that's gonna be my con with this unit. Now my pros is it's the ultimate beginner friendly, lazy girl friendly wig. It's pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-tweezed, and I love that for me. I also love this texture. I went on and on about the yaki texture because it is one of my favorite textures. It's one of the most natural textures for African American women, in my opinion, and every time I wear this texture, people just assume it's my hair, and I love that for me. Like, you know, sometimes I want to look a little different, sometimes I want platinum, and I know that nobody thinks that's my hair, but a lot of times I do like to have kinky wigs that are a natural color that give Chrissy, like that people actually think are my hair, and that is this unit. So those are my pros with this wig. Oh yeah, I also love that it's a closure, because you know your girl live for a closure. You know your girl live for a closure, okay? Especially a closure with a lot of space, so that too. right, y'all, so obviously I would recommend this wig. You heard my pros, girl, so yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. Do I have to do a lint check? Probably no lint check. So we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". I don't think you guys can see it. This is it on the right side. I don't know why this mic don't want to stay on my shirt. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it. Do you think it's a look, it's a vibe? Sound off down below in the comments. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions on this unit. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. Girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.